Welcome to Freewaytax.com. Today I'm going to walk you through filing your Form 2290 to receive your stamped Schedule 1. Once you arrive on the home page, you'll want to register for an account. Use this yellow button here, or you can click Register in the top right. Once you're on this page, you'll want to enter your taxpayer information: first name, last name, phone number, and a 5-digit PIN of your choosing. Keep in mind this 5-digit PIN is used to digitally sign your return and will always store it in your user profile. Finish off by entering your email and your password to create your account. I've got an account, so I'll go ahead and log in. After you submit your registration, you'll be directed immediately to the user profile page. Go ahead and finish filling this page out, just so we have your information in case we need to give you support. Once you're ready, click Submit. Now you're back to the dashboard. Here you can go ahead and start a new submission. First, you'll be asked to enter your business information. I've got my company already in here, but if you don't have a company in here, you'll need to use Add Business Info. It will direct you to a blank page like this. Enter the name of your business in the name field. Then enter the EIN that is associated with that business. Keep in mind, the name must match what the IRS has on file for that particular EIN. If it doesn't match, your Form 2290 submission will get kicked back, and a Freeway Tax support staff will contact you immediately to fix the issue and go ahead and resubmit that at no cost to you. Once you've got all that in there, go ahead and click Submit, and you'll be directed out to the business information page. Just double check this information and review it here before we move on. If you're ready to move on, click the Continue button. Next, you'll be asked to enter vehicle information. Simply use the Add Vehicle button, select the business name, the truck number or nickname, the VIN number, and then select the taxable gross weight. Keep in mind the taxable gross weight is your truck, your trailer, and then the maximum payload. You can select that weight from this drop-down menu here. If the vehicle is used for logging, select this box. If not, leave it blank. Once you're ready to submit the vehicle, click Submit, or add any other vehicles that you need to add. Once you're on the vehicle information page, just double check the nickname, double check the VIN and the business name. If everything looks good, go ahead and click File Now. On this page, you'll be asked to check out. I'm only filing for one vehicle, so it's already selected the one vehicle package for me. If you're filing for multiple vehicles, 2 or above, or 25 or more, it'll select the correct package for you. Simply enter your credit card information here to complete the checkout process. Keep in mind when you check out here, the Form 2290 has not been submitted yet. We're going to build the entire submission on the very next page. For this demo, I'm going to just check out with PayPal. On the next page, keep in mind, this is where we're going to build the entire submission and submit it to the IRS. So over on the left here, you'll see a step-by-step process to take you through to your IRS submission. Select the year. It's 2017, so I'll select that now. I'm going to select my business. Next, I'm going to go to step 3, selecting trucks. I've got my one truck here that I'm going to file for, so I'll select taxable vehicle here. If you have multiple vehicles, you'll be able to select each one and file them all in the same 2290. You'll be prompted to decide if this is the first time that you file for this vehicle or if you'd filed for it in the past. This is the first time I'm filing for this vehicle, so I'll click yes. Next, I want to calculate the tax. For this one truck, I owe $504.17. On step 6, this is you signing your submission so we can e-file it. The first question here is going to ask you to select business name or personal name. If you're a sole proprietor and that's the name that you entered, go ahead and select personal name. If you're a business name and that's the business name that you entered, select business name. Then the next part is your signing authority. I'll put my name here. You should as well. Title, and then my PIN. If you forgot your PIN from when you registered, that's okay. If you click on this box, it will take you to your profile where you can find your PIN here. Mine's 36524. I'll copy that and we'll put it in here. I'll put my phone number here. And then my email address. This email section is where your Schedule 1 will be emailed to. Next, we want to see if you want to add a third-party designee. If you don't, select no. If you do, click yes and enter their information. For this demo, I'll select no. Next is the IRS payment. So this is how you pay your tax. You have two options. The first one is electronic fund withdrawal or an e-check. Simply enter your bank routing and your bank account number and then account type and your phone number. Or if you're set up with EFTPS, you can select this option here. Keep in mind, to use EFTPS, you will have had to already have an account set up with them. So for this demo, I've got an EFTPS account, so I'm going to select that option and I'll submit this to the IRS. Now, once I hit the submit to the IRS button, the 2290 will be e-filed immediately. So I'll click this here. After this process takes place, keep in mind it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to get your Schedule 1. Okay, my submission was successful. Now, when my Schedule 1 is ready, it'll show up in your View Past Submission section. But keep in mind, since I just filed mine, it won't be there for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once your submission gets sent back from the IRS, we'll go ahead and email it to you. It will also be in your account for future use. We'll store it up to 7 years. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at the phone number listed at the bottom of every page on our website. That phone number is open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We also have 24/7 email support, and then additional, you can contact us through live chat, which is open 7 days a week, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.